This is a video demonstration for the Yellow Book, page 2, where we reviewed the first 3 fingers on the D string. So we will do open D, first finger, which is E string, second finger, far apart, is F sharp, and then third finger, G, close together, F sharp and G. They're close together, so they are called a half step. Let's review this playing whole notes, which are 4 beats per bow. Okay, so we are first going to get our bow hold ready, our advanced bow hold, thumb inside the groove right here, captain hook, third finger and 4th finger here, and then curved pinky. So I'm going to rest the bow on the D string and get my left hand position like this, where I have a nice arched curve. Thumb is always pointing toward the ceiling, like that. All right, here we go. On the count of 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. All the way to the tip, first finger. All the way to the frog, F sharp, second finger. Look where I placed my bow. It's in between the bridge and the fingerboard. Back to F sharp. Back to first finger E. So for now, we can just practice first finger E, second finger F sharp, and then third finger G. We will get to B next time. Also, please look at page 3. Claire De Lune is a song we will be working on. Let's play this very slowly. The key signature, we have an F sharp and C sharp. We're in the key of D major. And the first note starts with D, 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 E. First finger on D string, then F sharp, second finger, back to first finger, then open D, 2, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so the first bar, we have 4 quarter notes. The second bar, we have 2 half notes, so it's 2 beats each per note. Then third bar, we have 4 quarter notes again. And the last bar, we have a whole note. You see, that's what a whole note looks like. It has no stem on the note, so we have to hold that for 4 beats. Here we go. On the count of 4, let's play Claire De Lune. So I have my advanced bow hold, just like this. Thumb inside the groove, 3rd, 4th, pinky, and then captain hook. Here we go. I'm placing my bow on the D string, and I'm getting ready. First 3 notes are open Ds. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3. Go all the way to the frog, second finger. 3 and 2 beats. 1 and save your bow. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do this again while I call out the fingerings. Okay, here we go. 3 and 4 and open. Up bow, down bow, up bow, second finger. Hold for 2 beats, hold for 2 beats, and open, second finger, first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Make sure that you're holding your violin in between your neck, your shoulder and your neck, and that there's space between your left arm and body, that you're not holding it with your body, but you're always upright. Pretend this is a telescope, so your violin has to be at eye level at all times. Please let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy the song. Take care. Bye-bye.